Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, I am going to be capturing footage to make two tutorials for you guys. We are going to the heart-shaped lake or Lake Ouler in the Wicklow Mountains. It's a beautiful place to go. Bring your drone, bring a camera, take photos. You won't regret it. It's a very cool place to be. So the two tutorials I'm planning to make with the footage I'm going to be capturing today is one, how to grade the DJI Mavic Pro 2 footage and to make it look, that tiny bit better, The dynamic range of the Mavic 2, it's good, but it's not like a cinema camera, it's a bit limited. The second thing I'm going to do is I haven't actually tried photography in a long while. And I remember when I was starting out looking for simple tutorials or simple things to practice on my own. So I'm going to be doing today an extra small clip on how to capture long exposure photography with an ND filter in a sunny day. So let's do this. Let's go to the Wicklow Mountains and check Lake Ouler out. As you can see, the mountains look beautiful. Oh my god. It's just so crazy that this is so close to Dublin and like an hour drive from where we live. And then you're like in the middle of nowhere. It's like absolutely breathtaking. Very cool. Okay, we've officially arrived. The car park is to the rim. There's a lot of people. So we have to be careful to keep our social distance.
I'm just gonna park here. It's fine, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd say maybe, yeah.
Because those people can still reverse out then and go out that other side.
Yeah, let's check if they can. So you ready? You ready to get off? Okay, jump. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah!
So we've encountered the first problem. We need to cross that river there, and the last time I had to take my shoes off, cross the river and then put my shoes back on because I had to carry Kelly and carry Nicole. So this time I'll have to take my shoes off, carry Lucy and then my backpack, and then come back and help Kelly. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, come on.
Oh my god, that was so scary!
Okay, have my shoes back on and the dog is still alive, so that's a plus. Let's get out of here. It's I would say like an hour walk, maybe an hour and a half up to the top of the lake, so let's see. Still remember the last time we were here.
Yeah.
It was it was a bit later and it got dark halfway before we could arrive to the lake. So Lucy went to the river too, so I had to kind of rescue her. Kelly was going crazy in the top of the thing, so it wasn't a good experience. So hopefully this time it's a bit better. We've officially left the forest behind. Now there's just a very, very long walk in the mountains all the way onto the lake. The bush is so tall that poor Lucy just goes in. Oh Jesus, I almost fell. Lucy goes in and you can't really see her, so I need to carry her for bits of the trail. Okay, we found a nice area where you can walk, so that's nice.
Good girl. Up we go. Yeah. We just stopped for a rest there on that little rock. Look. Lou checked the map and we're kind of about almost dead already. I thought we were nearly there, and he said we still have another 8 times what we've already done just to get to the top, not even to finish. This is what staying at home during COVID does to you. We did it this time last year and I'm pretty sure we only stopped twice on the way up, and that was not even because we were dying, because Nicole was like, stop, I want to go home. So anyway, let's see what happens. We'll let you know when we get to the next stop for our lunch. I have a packed lunch because Lou and I are having this dreamy romantic hike. Look at his face. See that? That's the face of a man in love.
This is a
face of a man in love.
Things we have to do for each other.
And
You feel like what?
I feel like Buddha when he was punishing himself. And now I'm in the recoup phase, you know, when the woman gives him the bowl of rice.
Yeah.
Sahantra, you must eat the rice. I can't even eat. I couldn't even eat now, tell you.
I think
Sad state of affairs.
yeah, we're almost halfway.
What?
Almost, not really halfway yet.
Halfway.
No, and it's just so beautiful up here. It's absolutely stunning. There's nothing, like nothing. And actually, maybe it's a good time to fly the drone. Check this out. Taking another break. We still haven't arrived to the lake. This is beautiful. Kelly wants a break for taking crisps, so this is our break now. I'm just chilling and enjoying the view. It's absolutely absolutely stunning. Mad, mad beautiful. Bark! Yeah, that's good. You want a few crisps? There you go.
I think that might hurt thirsty then.
Okay, time to continue. We have taken like 20 breaks and we're still not there.
We did it!
This is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try to take a few photos. Let's see. So that was officially it. We are now finding our way back down. It's 6 p.m. Still sunny, but it's getting a bit chilly. It's very, very windy up here. And as you can see, or as you saw, it's absolutely breathtaking. It's so cool. So I have a fair bit of footage so I can do tutorials for you guys. Hopefully by this point you've already seen them, or maybe you didn't see them yet and you continue watching this video. As I said, links will be in the description and also the card. So not a good idea to have the voice command on when you're making a video or a piece to camera, because what just happened there was that the camera thought I had said stop recording or something, and it actually stopped recording in the middle of my sentence. So I don't know what I was doing, I don't know what I was saying. I lost my train of thought. Kelly seems to be lost. This is just absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this beauty. I want to hold hands with you, baby. Stop being unromantic. Like, well, we came up here, all the way up here, and you're like, you haven't even grabbed my hand once. It's like, we came to the heart-shaped lake, babe. You're so unromantic. So, what was the highlight of your trip, baby?
My pack of crisps.
The pack of crisps.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh my god, my phone, my watch is buzzing! I hit 10k steps.
what was so good about it?
Follow the...
Lick that mushroom and see what happens. Imagine she has a nervous breakdown again in the middle of the mountain. I just leave her behind. That's what I would do in the case of an emergency. Save yourself and no one else. Survivor, you know, survival. Bark!
Yay!
Yes, high five for that. Oh Jesus, no, you bend it here.
Wait, just wait, don't touch me. Ah,
Oh, fuck.
it's okay.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this away for a second. Kelly might break her neck or something, so I'm gonna just put this away. I need both hands. See ya in a bit. Where's the cloth? I thought I had a cloth here, but I can't see it. Maybe I didn't bring it, so we're just gonna have to use this to wipe. Oh my god, this lens is so dirty. Dirty. Okay, camera ready. This is better. What I have here is Canon 6D, any DSLR will do. I have Tamron 2470, any lens will do, preferably a wide angle lens to get a bit more close but perspective, you know. And we have an ND. I have a Zoom ND filter here. I use this one for video. It has an IR cut, so I use it with the Ursa Mini. Doesn't tint the blacks. It's very good ND, very cheap, and it's a circular ND, so you rotate it and it changes the amount of ND strength by rotating the ND. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a place here to set my camera and get a shot. I'm gonna have to turn this camera off because I need the monopod and get a shot of that. Probably 30 seconds, maybe 15 seconds, and the motion of the water will be all blurred out. So hopefully I can, with this ND, I can block a lot of that sunlight and make a very cool shot. So we're back in the car, and that was a great exercise. Oh my god. And carrying cameras and drones and DSLRs and GoPros and Osmo Actions and all that stuff, very heavy. And having to cross the river twice to collect Lucy because she can't cross the river on her own took its toll. I'm very tired now. I can't wait to get home and chill for a bit because it was a long day today. It was, what, how many hours did we walk?
We left at 3:15, so 4 hours.
4-hour walk. Oh my god, that's mad. So as always, thanks for watching. Okay, Kelly's gonna do the outro now.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you liked it, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and what's the thing? Click on the thing to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it.
Ding ding.
Okay, I think that's the end of the road for us today. We have a busy 1.5 hour drive, so we're gonna put some music and chill. I hope you liked the video, and I hope some of you learned something and got inspired by the footage you've seen. Heart-shaped lake. You have to check it out. Check out the video description. I'll put a Google Map location. If you're in Ireland, you have to do that hike. It's just beautiful. And if you're interested in photography and in drones, I hope the footage that you've seen today looks cool and inspires you to do your own stuff and go out. Keep safe because we're still in COVID. Maintain your social distance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See ya later.